Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about population decline and why it is a serious risk for our society. Population decline means fewer people are being born, and the total number of people is going down. At first, this may not sound like a big problem. Some people even think fewer people means less stress, right? But the reality is very different. When there are fewer children, schools begin to close. Teachers lose their jobs, young families move away. As the population gets older, there are more elderly people and fewer young workers. This creates a big problem. Who will work? Who will pay taxes? Who will take care of older people? If there are not enough workers, the economy slows down. Small businesses close. Local towns disappear. Hospitals, buses, and public services become harder to maintain. In the end, everyone feels the impact. Not just families with children, but all of us. Population decline is not just about numbers. It is about the future of our communities, our economy, and our quality of life. That is why many countries are now asking, how can we support families? How can we make life more stable for young people? Population decline is a slow problem, but its effects are deep and long-lasting. The choices we make today will shape the society we live in tomorrow. Thank you for listening.